Here we are. Well, welcome to Rob's Guitar School and our acoustic series of lessons that we have here. And this is our fourth. We did A1, A2, A3. Which was Landslide, Imagine, and Yesterday. And now we're going to do an easy version of Hallelujah here. Beautiful song. Only going to be 5 chords in it, a simple finger picking pattern, so another great lesson for beginner acoustic players. And then shortly thereafter that, for the next few lessons, we might dabble in some intermediate stuff here. So once again, if you like what you're seeing here, click like on the video and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you join us for lots of cool, awesome videos coming up. So let's get to it. So we have Hallelujah here, and awesome song by Leonard Cohen. So beautiful. I thought it was like a church hymn for like a long time. Then I realized that, wow, this song was really only kind of like created in the 90s. An amazing song, excuse me. So let's just get to it. The chords that we have for this are C. And we'll put the chord charts on for it. Now, I'm not going to show the individual fingerings of the chords. That's done it in the prior video. I'm assuming that you can just read the chord chart. But if I do have a new chord I introduce, like in this song we'll have E7, I'll show you how to finger it as well as having the chord charts here. So anyways, we got a C, we got an A minor, we got an F, we have a G, and then we have an E7. And so, well, I just talked about E7, so let's explain E7, how to finger that one. Only takes 2 fingers. So we're going to have our first finger here. First finger is going to be on string 3 at the first fret. And then our middle finger is going to be on string 5 at the 2nd fret. Really easy. Okay, well, right off into our, oh yes, and then another thing is I always say, I'm going to sing a little bit on this song here, and this song is like meant for singers. It's perfect for singers. That having been said, I'm not a singer. As I was saying before, I only play one on TV, so if I make bad notes, sing bad notes or whatever, please don't hold that against me. I'm just singing that so you know where we are in the song here. All right, so you can have any finger picking pattern in this piece, but I'm going to teach a nice, easy, basic one that is great for if you just want to sing and play this song, or you just want to get better at finger picking in general. As just to quick review here, when we do finger pick, our fingers on our right hand have certain responsibilities. Our thumb is responsible for strings 4, 5, and 6. And these 3 fingers line up perfectly on strings 1, 2, 3 here. So the first finger is responsible for string 3, the middle finger is responsible for string 2, and the ring finger is responsible for string 1. And the other thing too I want to just specify here is, for the purposes of this video, or just in general about guitar, we refer to the bottom string as string 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll do that. And if you care, the names of the strings are E, A, D, G, B, E. And a funny one that I tell kids when I teach it is Eddie 8 Dynamite, Goodbye Eddie. That's an easy way to remember that. Goodbye Eddie. So Eddie 8 Dynamite, Goodbye Eddie, E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay, so now to our finger picking here. So here's our finger picking pattern goes. So our finger picking pattern goes 5, 2, 3. So what we're going to do is so thumb is on 5, middle finger goes to 2, and our index finger goes to 3. So try that. And then we're going to do it a second time, same thing. And then we're going to do 2/3 of one. We're just going to do 5 and 2. So it's 2 groups of 5, 2, 3. And then just 1 1, 5, 2, which makes 8 notes. So we have 8 notes and 1 finger picking pattern. Some people would call these 8th notes, maybe. Hint, hint, wink, wink. Okay, so we have. So the intro of the song just goes back and forth between C and A minor. So I'm going to make our A minor. We're going to do the same finger picking pattern. So it goes. That's the intro. It goes C, A minor, C, A minor. So we're going to go right into the verse with the singing here. So it goes, I heard there was a secret chord that David played, it pleased the Lord, but you... Okay, now we're going to go to an F chord. So we're going to do easy F here. Our diagonal tic-tac-toe. Now, the finger picking pattern is going to be exactly the same as before, except there's always exceptions sometimes. So except instead of playing string 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, it's going to be 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2. So 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2. But you don't really. Okay, then we go to G. Care for music. Okay, so a G chord. Let me just explain the G. I just played a 1 finger G there, but I can because we're not playing the rest of the strings for a G chord. So normally a G would be like this. But since we're only going to be plucking strings 6, okay, so 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, I only need to have 1 finger here. In this case, I have my middle finger. You could use your ring finger, your 3rd finger. So this one on the G chord, the bass note switches to the 6th string, so it's going to be 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2. So just like everything else, we just moved the bass string. But you don't really care for music, do ya? So that goes back to the C, and then we're going to go to do ya. So just C, G, and then back to. Well, it goes like this, the 4th, the 5th. Okay, so on the C and the G there, we're going to have half finger picking patterns. So we only need 4 notes on them instead of 8. So we're going to go on the, so on the F, it's going to be 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, oh, excuse me, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then the G is going to be 6, 2, 3, 6. So it goes like this, the 4th, the 5th, then it's goes to our next chord, A minor, minor, fall, the. So this is with our regular finger picking pattern, minor, fall, the, F, major lift, the baffled king come, both. Then we get E7, and it's going to be 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2. So the baffled king composing alley. Then A minor for 2 finger picking patterns. Hallelujah. So we're doing 2 of those. And I'm sorry I'm checking out the music as I go over here. There is a secret hidden music stand over here, very, very special, very, very secret. It has the music on it, which I have memorized, but I just look at it because I'm on camera and I'm kind of like really want to make sure I get it right. So excuse me if I go like that. Doesn't mean I'm not really engaged in helping you right now. I really, really, really care. I just also really care about making sure we get the chords right. Okay, so anyways, now we're going to go to the chorus section. So then it's going to go to, it's going to go Hallelujah, it's going to go to Hallelujah, and then you're going to start your finger picking pattern on Lu. So Hallelujah. That's 2 times on the F, and then 2 times on the A minor. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Back to 2 times on the F. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. C with one pattern, G with one pattern, C with one pattern, G with one pattern. And that's the song. It just goes, so there's 5 verses in the Jeff Buckley version that I'm kind of basing this on. And so there's 5, it goes through that whole sequence 5 times. And on the end, you know, at the end of the 5th time, you know, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And then just end up on a C. So that's Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen, the Jeff Buckley version, in terms of just a basic finger picking pattern here for people who want to sing and play an easy version of this, or people who are just working on finger picking. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in lessons from Rob's Guitar School, and I am Rob, by the way, feel free to check out the comments below. There's a link where you can sign up and get a free lesson from a real live teacher on Zoom. From anywhere in the world. Now, one thing I want to say is we only speak English, so if you can do English, then we're good. So that would be awesome. And if you happen to be in the United States, in the Massachusetts, in the Boston or central Massachusetts area, we have a location in Newton, Mass, which is just right next to Boston, and Groton, Mass, which is north central Mass, where we have a whole bunch of teachers who can help you out. So anyways, once again, click like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next videos coming up, where I'm going to be doing Scarborough Fair, the actual finger picking version, note for note. Yes, you're getting much better at this. You're getting ready, and we're also going to be doing Blackbird. So stay tuned for that. So enjoy, have fun playing guitar, and we'll see you soon.